What's up, YouTube fam? How are you? Today we're going to be doing this Valentine's pink look with the Amrezy palette. I'm sure all of you have it. If not, you can find similar colors. But as always, I'm going to start with my brows with brushing them upwards and then filling out the basically outlining them. So I'm going to do the bottom and then the top outline and then fill it in. So I've been really feeling like the more natural looking brow to where it looks like it has hair and like hair-like strokes and that kind of stuff. And that's why I also use mascara, because when I do my brows, the mascara is black, so it makes my actual hair stand out even more. You'll see when I do it, but that's why I do it. Okay, so here's the mascara. This is the L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara. I also love this for my eyelashes. So I'm literally doing a light layer only on my actual hair to just make them stand out. Now, you know this part. You got to carve out your brows. I used the LA Girl Pro Concealer, and then this is an e.l.f. concealing brush. So here what I'm doing is I'm actually pulling down the concealer so I can blend it out with my finger. And then I will also use a concealer to prime my eyelids. Just going to set that with a little bit of my Makeup Revolution translucent setting powder and a big fluffy brush. Okay, so the part you all been waiting for, the eyeshadow. First, I'm going to start off with this shade. I believe it's called 1988. And I'm just going to outline the shape of my eye that I want to have. If you guys haven't noticed, I have like big old round eyes. So I kind of like to accentuate it and kind of make it look more pulled out, like more like cat eye. So I apologize. I don't know the name of the shade. My fat finger's covering it, but it's next to New Yorkers, that similar color. So what I'm doing is I'm taking a very small blending brush and I'm taking that color right on top of the 1988 and I'm blending in small circles to get those two colors to blend seamlessly. So since I'm doing a cut crease with pink, I didn't want the brown on my lid to like mix in, with the concealer, and it gives it a little mucky color. So I got a Q-tip and I'm just cleaning off my lid before I go in with my LA Girl concealer yet again. This is a lighter shade though. But now I'm going to cut my crease and I'm also going to set it with translucent powder. Now we're going to go back in with 1988 and just hit the outer V. So now I'm going to go in with the burgundy shade. I believe it's called Simsa. And I'm just going to pat that right next to that 1988 shade. Here I grabbed the brush I used for the outer V with the 1988 shade, and now I'm just blending these two colors together. The lid shade, I believe this color is Barb or something. I don't know. It doesn't matter. You see what I'm pointing at, right? So anyway, that's going to go on the lid. We're going to pack that on nice and intensely, and then we're going to freaking wait for the next step. I'm going to blend in this hot pink shade with the Simsa color using the Simsa brush I had and just pat over the pink, and it blends it. So now I'm going to go in with this top color on the left hand corner because I don't know the name, and I'm going to put that in my inner lid. Yet again, I am blending these two colors together. So now it's time for eyeliner. I'm just using my regular black NYX matte eyeliner, the same one I always use because I don't use any other liner. I don't like any other liner, so we're gonna line our eyes. This is where I'm adding my mascara, just a light coat for my falsies, prep my lashes for my falsies. These are the House of Lashes iconic lashes, and these used to be like my favorite lashes ever, and I stopped using them because when I clean them, like when I take the glue off, it gets this little thread, and I don't like that. So girl, look at me, I'm feeling myself now. Okay, so now we're gonna do the face stuff, and I kind of sped through this because I don't think you guys care about what I'm doing and how I'm doing it, because it's basically the same thing I do in every video with the same products I use in every video. So we'll just, you know, we're gonna skip through this. Actually, I'll link my video down below. It's called my flawless foundation routine, and then I tell you all the products I use, why I use them, and how I use them. So if you want to check that out, it'll be in the description box. Okay, finally we're back. Now we're going to do the bottom lash line. So I'm going in with 1988 on a small packer brush, and I'm going to rub that all across the bottom lash line. Then, girl, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the color OG, and I'm going to put that, right under that. And then we're going to line our waterline with this black silhouette, whatever, pencil for your eye. Spray the face, girl. We almost done. We're going to use our trusty, dusty little fan because my wrist be getting tired. We're going to set the face. I'm going to line my lips, and then I'm just going to use my lip gloss. I'll put that down below because I don't know the name of it. It's Elf. Oh, it's Alyssa one. Alyssa Ashley. It's hers. So we're going to do that. So once we finish our gloss, we're going to feel cute for a second. We're going to take our hair. Oh, just kidding. Psych. We're going to put on our bottom lash mascara. I don't do this until after I spray my face because it always transfers that black stuff. And then this is my MAC powder. This is in deep dark, and I just wanted to set some of the shininess because my lights is bright, girl, so I had to take off some of that shine. And look at me, I'm feeling cute. Let the hair down. Got my beauty shots, girl. Put it in slow motion and show off. Go off, sis. So anyway, y'all, thanks for watching, liking, sharing, subscribing, loving me, being my friend, and coming to watch this video. I will see you guys in the next one. Guys, have a great one. Bye.